happy Valentine's Day. All right, so I'm using this Indulge Essentials Wonder Gold oil, and I'm just prepping up my skin. Of course, use my code DeeptiGaba for discount in case you want to buy anything from Indulge Essentials, because that's like one of my favorite skincare brand. So good it is. So I'm just prepping up. How are we doing? Of course, I'm getting ready for my Valentine's night. So I'm gonna do my brows from this Benefit Brow Styler, and this is in warm black to brown number 5, and this is this kind of pencil on this side and a powder on this side. So I'm going to apply just the pencil because I want nicely shaped ones, but if you want like a very softer and fuller look, you go for the powder, and if you want a very bold look, you use both. So I'm using something that's like good shaped up and still neat and clean. So what I'm wearing is orange, because it's hanging over there. So I want like a little bit of, I thought I would do like, you know, a neon look, but then of course my whole outfit is orange, so I cannot have so much of, I could have used this one if this is the Huda Beauty Neon Orange palette. It's basically roughly around this shade, but once we apply, this becomes super neon, which I do not want. I want a little bit of neon effect, but had it been like my outfit had very little bit of orange or like, you know, neon, then I would have used this. But instead we're gonna go for a little different look. I'm gonna stick to Huda Beauty and use this their oldest eyeshadow palette. This is a textured rose gold palette, and I'm gonna see the colors that has orange undertone. Before that, I'm gonna prime up my eyes. So I'm using I was saying my other brand's my earlier shop's name. This is NYX Cosmetics white eyeshadow base, and I'm just gonna apply all over my lid. Someone also asked me, when do we put the white base eyeshadow base, when do we put the skin color base, when do we put the concealer? So how it goes is, when your colors are very bright, then you want, or you want a maximum pigmentation, then you go for the white one. If you go for your skin color or the concealer kind of an eyeshadow base, then it's like, you know, it merges to your eye, it doesn't highlight your eye makeup so much. And if the colors are like dark, then also you can use for concealer or something. It's just the concealer is little thick than eyeshadow base. It is a good base, but of course it's not an eyeshadow base, so it's always advisable to use eyeshadow base. But if you wear concealer, it's fine, it's okay, no problem. And I'm gonna go for Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, the older one. This one is discontinued, and now you get another one. Okay, let me just show you. Now you get this one, remastered palette. So this is discontinued, and this is the one. Okay, this is the old one. This is what you're gonna get if you're gonna order. So I'm going to take a Beauty RB3 brush and going to take the shade Henna, just on the tip of this brush, just dust off, and I'm gonna flip it upward so that it doesn't go so much on the lid, and I will just dab it over the crease. Notice that I am not going exactly in, just going little directly towards the nose, how my natural you know, crease is. And I'm gonna just clean the brush. I'm not taking any other shade, just wipe off this brush and go back to again this Beauty RB3 brush, and now just blend the edges, the upper one, just with very soft hand, just gonna diffuse it. So now I'm gonna take any white eyeshadow. I'm taking this one. This is by MAC. It's called White Frost, and I'm gonna take a normal standard eyeshadow brush. You can take any flat brush, and I will just have a soft cut crease just with this. I'm not gonna have like, you know, a base and changing the base and everything, or cutting it with the concealer, just directly this. So I will just kind of like shape first, like, you know, dab and keep shaping. And remember that we have to follow the crease line that we started out with. Right, so I have taken this Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in Acid Trip, and I'm gonna draw a wingy now. This is like the orange I want, the neon orange. I just want this so that this like, you know, blends in with my outfit that's completely orange and still doesn't look like so neon makeup. So I like it. This is pretty good. So just drawing a normal wingy, sharp wingy. Look at that. So I've just cleaned up my under eyes, and I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Uptown Curl Volumizing Mascara, Lengthening Mascara, I'm sorry, in Black Beauty. And I'm gonna put the lashes, but before that I will just coat them with mascara. And I have to make it sure that the liner, neon liner, is not there on my lashes. If you can't put this mascara, then you can put the eyeshadow, powder eyeshadow, black one, and just cover them up. But I would prefer mascara. तो सबसे पहले आपके लिए प्राइमर बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये एक आपको स्मूथ फिनिश दे देगा और पोर्स को भर देगा. ये एज अ शील्ड भी काम करेगा आपके स्किन और फाउंडेशन के बीच में. So I have just put on the lashes, and now I'm applying the primer. This is by Sugar Cosmetics, the most eligible primer, and just giving it a smooth finish. Right, so now I'm color correcting with Sugar Cosmetics Face Forward Corrector Stick in shade Orange, Onward Orange. And just applying, dabbing it with the finger. Quickly, I'm getting late. So I'm using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in 280 shade. I've already taken it on the back of my hand, and I'm taking D Beauty Velvety Blender, spreading it properly, evenly, and then just dabbing, just applying it. Simple. Yeah, I had to tell you. The concealer I'm using is by Milani Conceal and Perfect in shade Medium Beige 135, and I am applying it. I didn't apply it directly to the skin. I applied it on the back of my hand, and then just, like, you know, dabbing it, and then going ahead with where all I want the coverage. Right, so now I'm taking Sugar Cosmetics All Set to Go Banana Powder, and okay, let me just take with this only. So I'm taking a puff and taking the powder back again to the back side of the brush, of the hand, and now I'm just gonna dab it. Just set everything that I applied. Again, I'm not doing cream contouring, just I'm gonna do powder. So I'm powdering the whole face. Alright, so I'm gonna now go for my sweetheart cutie, caramel cutie by Fenty Beauty, and going for little bronzing. I'm gonna do the full bronzing here in story, because every time I just tell you, but I haven't done it all the time. I explained it, but then I thought maybe they're new followers. So I'm using this Sugar Cosmetics Salmon Superstar blush on D Beauty RB4 brush, and just gonna blend this shade range just all together. I'm just applying it a lot, like blending it with my contour, and I'm not applying like where I normally do my blush, because I just want a tinge of that shade, which it should just blend it with my blender. with my bronzer. Right, so now I'm using MAC Cosmetics Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish Highlighter, and I love it. Like, look at that natural glow. Whenever I don't want a lot of highlighter thing on my face, I apply it with my finger and with very soft hand. I just apply it. Look at that. This is what I want. To smooth it down, we're gonna just blend the edges here, just to let all this come together. So I'm going back to this shade Hina and using D Beauty RB1 brush and just dabbing it, just blending the same thing with very light hand. Just if you just use one shade and use this brush, it's gonna give you the color as well as it's gonna blend it beautifully. I'm using a Tarte Cosmetics Fake Awake eye highlighter. It's basically a skin shade pencil, cold pencil, and just using it on my waterline, and the liner just got stuck here. Okay, so just to open up my eye. Going back to Sugar Cosmetics Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in Black Beauty, I'm gonna use it for my lower lashes. I just love it. Whenever I apply it, I tell you, this is really good. Especially I love it for my lower lashes, because you know lower lashes are lesser than that, and it really is amazing. All right, so this is what I'm wearing. So I'm gonna put I'm gonna put Morphe color pencil in Christmas Cookie, Love Bite, sorry, in Love Bite. So this liquid lipstick is Christmas Cookie. So I'm gonna apply a little lit here, just in the center, and blend it with the lip brush, just to have that ombre effect, and it's gonna give a fuller look to the lips. Using Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. This is so good. This smells so good, and I love the spray head, and because it's just so good, so good that it just spreads evenly. Guys, so this is my video look, and let me know, how did you like it? This, of course, you can do this look some other time as well, but yeah, and this is what I'm wearing, so I thought this would go.